Hello, Miss Walsh here. So today we are going to graph some more complicated functions that have a multiple transformations to them, okay? These are your basic approaches. When you need to graph something like this, decide what the parent function is, and then graph that parent function, and then just check that you understand what you'll be doing to each, and follow the order of first stretching and reflecting, and then moving left and right. If you move left and right and up and down first, and then multiply values, it'll lead you astray. Okay, so first of all, what is the parent function here? Well, the parent function, hopefully you realize, is the absolute value. And remember, that's just a line without any of the negatives, right? So I'm just going to put a point here at 5, and then at -5, I would also be at 5. And let's just draw that parent. There it is, and you know that at 10 will be at 10, and here as well. Going through 5 and 5, and 10 and 10. And so that's our parent graph. Okay, so our next step is just to take a look at what they're asking us to do to make sure that you're clear on the transformations, okay? So this is going to be multiply the y values. This is your vertical stretch here. That's this right here. So y is by 3. This is also reflect, vertical reflect. And I'm going to do that at the same time. And then it'll get easier. This will just be 4 left, and this will just be 1 down. So I'm going to do this in 2 steps. So let's do this first, okay? We're going to take all the y values and we're going to stretch them by 3 and multiply it by a negative, okay? So if I take the 5, that'll lead me to -15, not too far, a little bit. So I'm just going to take the 2. 2 times 3 is 6, and then I'm going to let it fall onto the negative. Okay, we can do it again, maybe with a 4. 4 multiplied, no, maybe let's do it with a 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Let it fall and reflect. It's going to be exactly the same thing here, the 2 to the 6. And the 3 times 3 is 9, and of course you can do it with the 1 as well. And so now, oh, it changed to red automatically. Smart. Okay, so if I were to write the equation for this, this equation is now -3x. So we've applied the stretch and we've applied the reflection, okay? So now we're just going to take each one of the points and we're going to go left 4 and down 1, and this can be done in 1 step. Alternately, what you can do from here, yeah, that's fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 down. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 down. The shape will not change because you're just translating it now, yeah? And there it is. And there it is. I'm rushing a little bit so that this is not too long, but this is now the final result, okay? So let's take a look at one more. Here we don't have a parent function. This is our function, this is our f of x, and so let's just see what we need to do. Decide on the transformations. Okay, so this is going again be a reflection on around the x-axis, so the y values, and then this is going to be a vertical stretch by 2, and then this is going to be a horizontal stretch. Now don't forget, this is the one that is by 1/2. So you're actually going to take all the x values, and don't forget you're going to divide them by 2, yeah? So the x's are going to be divided by 2. That's the tricky one. Okay, so I'm going to do the vertical first. I like to go left to right, why not? Starting with this point, so right now it's at 3. So 6, we're going to jump down to -6. And from 2, I'm going to go to 4, -4. Now this right here is at -3, so -6 onto +6. And then this is at -2, -4 to 4. Of course, you could take other points. I just didn't. Okay, so let's connect this. And hey, this. Okay, and again, I like to write the equation of this just to know where I am. So this right now is f of x with the -2 in front of it because we haven't done this yet. Okay, so last step, remember there's a 2, so we're going to be dividing. It's going to be a horizontal compression or stretch by 1/2. And so the -4 will go to the -2. The -1, don't be afraid of fractions, decimals, it happens. Same with this, the 1 will go to 1/2, and the 2 will go to the 1. Let's connect. Okay, and what you can see is you have the version that is horizontally compressed, vertically stretched, and vertically reflected. And sometimes it's a nice idea just to go over with a highlighter just to show what your final function is. Okay, so in the do now, you're also given the same function. So do the reflection and the stretch first. Be careful, it is inside the function, and then you can shift it. Bye.